Are you still struggling with your Facebook ad? Don't worry, today I am going to tell you the 5 things that you need to always include in your Facebook ad in order to get good CTR and conversion rate. So we'll tell you everything in a complete detail. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing it. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's talk about what are those 5 things that you need to include in your Facebook ad to get a good CTR, conversion rate and great results with your Facebook ad. So let me just quickly open a Facebook ad example that we are going to discuss about in this video. So let me just give you a quick overview of the client that we have created this ad for. So what basically this client does, they buy old houses from people that want to sell, and then they renovate them, make some changes, and then they sell them at a higher prices and get their profits. So the first thing that you should always include in your Facebook ad is a logo. As you can see that we have also included the logo in the creative, and also here you can see the logo. So you should always include the logo because logo will build the trust and the authority in the person that is viewing your ad, and when the person will see your ad again and again, then they will build a trust on your brand, and it will make them easier to buy a product or services from you. So always make sure that you include the logo. It doesn't matter that it's on the top right or on the sideways, but you should always make sure that you have a logo in your video or photo or carousel images, that whatever creatives you are using, make sure to always include the logo in your creatives. The second thing that you should always include in your Facebook ad is a good title and headline, like you can see here. So make sure that you write the best and the best headlines in your Facebook ads copy, because you know that Facebook is based on interruption based marketing, and when your ads come in front of the people and they are going to read this first line only, and through this first line they will decide that whether they should read it further or not, whether they should know about your product or services that you are selling, and either you should go with this or not. So your first line will decide this all. So make sure you focus on creating the best and the best headlines. Like you can see here that we have written, forget about open house events, repairs or cleaning, because we know that the person who is willing to sell their house, they know that the person who will buy, they are going to complain about the cleaning, repairs and the open house events will occur. So we have tried to tackle this problem in the headline only. So you can do this also, you can tackle the problems in your headline only. And you can see here in the copy also we have written that no fees and no commissions, and that we will give the offer in 24 hours and pick a closing date and get paid. So we have made everything simple in our copy, so the person doesn't think twice. So yes, focus on creating the best headline. The third thing that you need to include in your Facebook ad is a clear call to action button. A lot of time people write a good copy, attractive images, use logos and everything, but they don't tell the person who is seeing your ad that at the end what they should do, what they want, what you want from them. You should always make sure that you write a clear call to action in your Facebook ad copy or in image or description or anywhere. Like you can see here we have written, call us now to get a fast free cash offer on your house. So this is a call to action. So make sure you always include a clear call to action in your Facebook ads copy. The fourth thing that you need to include in your Facebook ad is a simple clear description. A lot of time I have seen that people talking about this and that in their description, but you don't have to do that. You should always make sure that you write clear simple description, like we have written here, call us now, because what we want from them is that they should call us, they should contact us, so that we can go there and check the house, and then we can make sure that we are going to purchase this or not. So make sure you always write a simple description. The more simple you write, the better it is. The fifth and the last thing that you should include in your Facebook ad is an attractive image or a video or carousel image or anything that you are including. Make sure it's attractive, gets the attention of the user who is scrolling the feed, because you need to get that CTR, because the more CTR you will get, the less CPC you have to pay. So make sure you create the best of the ad images and creatives for your Facebook ad. If you don't know how to create good images and creatives for your Facebook ad, you can hire someone who can create the images through Photoshop, but make sure to create the best creatives so you get the best CTR, because this CTR will only help you to get low CPC, because if your CPC is high, then you are spending a lot of money on your Facebook ad and you have to put more effort to optimize it and make it profitable. So these were the 5 things that you should always include in your Facebook ad. So I hope you liked this video. If it did, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any doubt, you can ask them in the comments below. Till then, bye bye, take care.